The human brain is an extraordinary organ, serving as the command center for our thoughts, emotions, memories, and physical functions. Despite its remarkable ability to adapt and heal, it remains vulnerable to a variety of lifestyle choices and environmental factors that can damage or even kill brain cells. This chapter explores the silent killers of brain cells that lurk in our daily lives and their potentially dangerous implications for overall brain health. Starting the day with a nutritious breakfast is often hailed as a healthy habit, but it is more than just a wellness cliché. It's a significant factor in brain health. The brain requires a steady supply of glucose for optimal functioning. When breakfast is skipped, the brain is deprived of this vital source of energy, leading to decreased cognitive performance, enhanced irritability, and impaired memory. Prolonged neglect of this morning meal can lead to neural stress and potentially contribute to the loss of brain cells over time. Smoking is a well-known health hazard, wreaking havoc on the lungs and cardiovascular system, but its detrimental effects extend to the brain as well. Nicotine and the plethora of harmful chemicals inhaled can lead to reduced blood flow to the brain, impairing its function and increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies have shown that smokers may experience a higher rate of cognitive decline, suggesting that the toxic substances in cigarette smoke could directly contribute to the loss of brain cells, particularly in areas responsible for memory and learning. Sleep is an essential function that the brain requires for restoration, memory consolidation, and overall health. Lack of adequate sleep leads to increased levels of stress hormones, which can damage brain cells and make them more susceptible to injury. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to diminished cognitive performance and mood disturbances, and over time, insufficient sleep can lead to neurodegenerative changes. The brain's inability to effectively clear out toxins during sleep exacerbates these issues, contributing to cellular breakdown and loss. Humans are inherently social creatures, and interaction with others is crucial for brain health. Social isolation can lead to increased stress and depression, both of which have been shown to have negative effects on brain cells. Loneliness may contribute to cognitive decline and has been linked to the shrinkage of specific brain regions, including the hippocampus, which is vital for memory and learning. Engaging in meaningful social connections helps to stimulate the brain and maintain its structure and function, while prolonged solitude can be a silent killer of our cognitive abilities. While a balanced diet is crucial for brain health, overeating, particularly of unhealthy foods, can be detrimental. Excess calories can contribute to obesity, inefficiencies in blood flow, and even inflammation, all of which can adversely affect brain function. Additionally, overindulgence in unhealthy fats and sugars is associated with a greater risk of cognitive decline. This suggests that not only do overeating habits decrease physical health, but they can also lead to an environment where brain cells are gradually lost. Alcohol consumption has long been a subject of discussion concerning health, and while moderate consumption may have some benefits, excessive intake is toxic to brain cells. Alcohol can disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters, lead to nutrient deficiencies, and cause inflammation, all of which can accelerate the death of neurons. Chronic alcohol abuse has been linked to cognitive deficits and conditions such as Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a severe brain disorder that indicates significant loss of brain cells. Sugar may be a beloved ingredient in many foods, but excessive intake can imperil brain health. High-sugar diets have been linked with increased inflammation, insulin resistance, and oxidative stress, all of which foster an environment that contributes to the deterioration of brain cells. Over time, imbalances caused by excessive sugar can lead to a greater risk of neurodegenerative diseases, highlighting the need for moderation in dietary sugar. Junk food, often convenient and tempting, provides little more than empty calories, leaving the brain deprived of essential nutrients. Diets high in processed foods have been associated with cognitive decline and a higher risk of neurodegenerative conditions. Junk foods' lack of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other critical nutrients can obstruct brain health and promote cellular death, showcasing the importance of a nutrient-rich, balanced diet. Finally, the absence of mental stimulation poses a significant risk to brain health. Just as physical activity is vital for maintaining physical fitness, cognitive challenges are essential for keeping the brain robust and interconnected. Engaging in varied mental activities helps to strengthen neural connections and encourages neuroplasticity. Conversely, a lack of stimulation can accelerate cognitive decline, making the brain far more prone to damage and loss of cells. Understanding the various factors that contribute to brain cell loss is paramount in our fast-paced, often unhealthy lives. By addressing the habits that endanger brain cells, from the foods we consume to our lifestyle choices, we can take significant strides toward preserving our cognitive abilities and overall brain health. Emphasizing the importance of a nutritious diet, regular mental stimulation, restful sleep, and social engagement can foster not only a healthier brain, but a healthier life, ultimately ensuring that our most vital asset continues to thrive.